Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We always face one perennial problem in India. What is it? Dust. How do we ensure that our houses are dust free and clean? We use vacuum cleaners, robo cleaners. But one more problem persists which is not getting tackled by the vacuum cleaners. There are vacuum cleaners which tackle that also, which is mopping. So in this video, I'm going to unbox a product which will help us solve this problem. This is a electric mop which does the mopping. You just have to hold it. So let's do the unboxing. Agaro's electric spin mop which I have purchased to tackle the mopping issue in my house. This is the box. I have ordered this in Amazon. So on the box it is Agaro spin mop, water spray and mopping, all types of floor, and the picture warranty, 1 year warranty. And coming to this side, it says Agaro spin mop, 150 rpm bottom pad speed, 175 ml water tank, swivel handle, adjustable extension tube, front LED light, lightweight portable, includes one complete machine, 2x extra pads, measuring cup. Nothing here, and here you have specifications, model, manufacturer's information and other details. Now let us open this up. Nothing inside. So this is the machine. Extra pads. Manual of Agaro electric spin mop. Measuring cup. Charger. And the handle. So let's see the instructions. Ensure that you read the instructions fully before operating any kind of electric gadgets. So the product, water spray switch, start switch, handle, adjustable lever, main interface, water inlet, charging port, mop host, water outlet, mop pads. Now let's look at the assembly. First thing, to fix this, you have this has to go in here. So press this and here a snap. This is fixed now. Second is fixing this to the mop. For that, let's first remove this. Keep it aside. You heard a snap. That's it. Same way, this has to go and align here inside. Push this a little inside. press till you hear a snap. Snap. So the assembly is done. This is the knob with which you can adjust the height or reduce the height, and here you have the on button and the spray button. So let's see if there is any charge in this. Its charge is there. You can see the mop heads moving. I haven't added any water now. First let me switch this off. Add water here. This is the water inlet, so I'm going to add in water. So this is the measuring cup, so it about 80 ml of water can be put inside. So I'm going to add in water from this. I have got 80 ml of water, which is the full cup. I'm going to slowly add this inside. Close it. Now the unit is ready to use. Let's use it and see how it cleans. See floor here, so I'm going to try cleaning with this. I'm switching on, so it has started rotating. So it has cleaned well. See, the whole place is clean, nothing there. My view, is it worth buying? Of course yes. It makes mopping so much easier without any effort. You just have to direct the mop and stand there for it to do its job. Just spray and it will mop for you. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such unboxing videos. Thank you for watching.